Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a group email on AOL Mail. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in mail.aol.com and press enter. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button and then use your credentials, and once you have been logged into your account, you will see the contact option at the left side. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be shown all of your contacts that you have within your AOL Mail account. Just tap on the lists option, and now if you don't already have a list, you will see the create button at the left side. You can also click on edit list and you will be able to add contacts onto your existing list. Now after adding your contacts onto your list, give a name for your list and then tap on the save button. This will now create a list with the name that you just chose. You can now compose a new email by tapping on compose. Now within the to section, you can simply type in the name of the list, and all of the contacts within this list will automatically be selected when you choose the list. You can now send any email to all of the contacts at the same time, and there you have it. That is how easy it is to create an email group on your AOL Mail account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.